This is where the fish should be thawing, in a running water, cold water sink. Instead, we have thousands of hundreds of pounds sitting on the counter dripping. See if I can get that. One, 2 pound mod. It's full. On the other side. Oh, there's more. Hidden fish over here in the corner. Thawing. It's probably 65, 75 degrees in the kitchen. Temperature danger zone at its highest level. Don't ever eat the fish fry in the world. I wondered why it smelled like fish in here.